X has stopped accepting new applications for its revenue sharing program and will completely shut it down in a month. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the tech updates. The website has launched the new Original Content Rewards program to take its place, which will reward creators who bring original ideas, expertise, reporting, creativity, and commentary to X. Creators can earn money based on the qualified impressions their original content gets under the new program. The website describes original content as users' original writing or reporting, photos or videos they take, and memes or illustrations they create. They can earn from other people's posts, but they will have to add meaningful commentary or analysis to them, or to do some creative editing to existing videos or photos. If the user just adds captions or text overlays to other people's content that simply describes what's going on, it won't be counted as original. To be eligible for the new rewards program, users will have to be 18 or older and live in a country where it's available. They need to be paying for a Premium Plus, or Premium Business subscription, have at least 500 verified followers, and have at least 500,000 home timeline views from verified users within the last 90 days. Plus, creators must continue meeting those requirements even after they've been accepted to the program to be able to get payouts. People currently part of X's revenue sharing program will need to reapply for the new one when they become eligible for it on September 8th. Those who aren't part of the old program can apply for original content rewards now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.